Babe, wake up! It's 7 o'clock. We have a lot of to do today. It's Vlogmas!
But first, let's make a coffee.
Come on, it's Vlogmas! Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joseph and we are a full-time eBay reseller couple based in UK. Today is the 16th day from the Vlogmas, and today we try to check all the boxes what we bought from the auction, because we have two or three boxes left full of stuff. So we have to clean them, test them and list them as soon as we can. And I would like to show to you what we sold. But first of all, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, DJRU77. So here is most of the item what we sold yesterday. First of all, we sold the Looney Tunes Sylvester cat for £17 and 99 pence, with, like you can see, with the original tags. The next one is a parachute action man with outfit and accessories, £21.50. The next one it's a Disneyland Paris Mickey Mouse 3D mug for £14.96. The next one it's an action man professor from the 90s, sold for £9.99 free postage. The next one, it's a Miss Piggy, sold for £14.96, and we sold the pound puppies again for £9 free postage. So and also we talking about yesterday the blue Disney soft toy, which is sold on Vinted, and also we sold on Etsy yesterday a 3-way touch lamp for £45 plus postage. So let's pack them and let's post them as soon as we can. So we're done with the two boxes and we still have one box left from the auction, and this is the items what we found inside. This one, it's an auto viewer 3 slide viewer. It's a vintage item, probably a 20 to 30 pound on that. Also you can see here an Vivitar instant slide printer, which I like, can I see on eBay, is probably 40 to 50 pound. Also we have a small Trust speaker set, which is probably 15 to 20 pound. We have an Olaf karaoke machine, and like you can see, the speaker is little bit damaged, but we bring it home to charge them, and let's see if it's working. We have a big clear glass lamp, probably a 15 pound item. Also we have this wall mounted lamp, which I didn't know the price, but probably 15 to 20 pound. We have here this Salon Pro hairstyling tongue, which we bring it home because Orshi want to keep this one. We have a small food warmer, which we sold before once, and but the biggest one for £20, probably 10 to 15 pound on that. We have another small clear glass table lamp, which is probably a £10 item. We have a wall-mounted phone, which is probably a £10. We have here a digital calendar and clock, which is probably a £10 item. We have here a beautiful floral style ceramic table lamp, which is again probably 25 to 30 pound. We have a small Goodman's radio, which is all day long is going for 15 to 20 pound. What we found something else, yeah. So we found this pedal for a vintage sewing machine, which is going for around 25 pound. And it's not the last one. I showed you something else the other side, but we found this Philips hair dryer. It's a Ionic Moisture Protect, which is, if it's brand new, going for around 200 to 300 pound. So, and it's perfectly working without any issue, just a few marks and scratch on that, but probably are listing for around 50 to 60 pound. So that one is a very surprise. And yeah, let's go to the other side and show to you the other items what we found inside the. Also, if you can help me, what is this? It's adjustable, like you can see, it's wooden. And honestly, I don't know if it's a mirror or I don't know, but if you have any idea what is this, please let me know in the comment section, because it looks interesting, but I don't know honestly. Also, we have here a Panasonic DVD video recorder, which has been tested today and perfectly working. Probably we're looking for around 30 to 40 pound on that. Also, we have a Samsung fax machine and copy machine, which is always all day long going for 40 quid. What else we have? We have here this box, which is need to be tested, but it's so cold inside the storage unit, so probably we're going on Sunday. I want to show to you this LG, what is that? Micro hi-fi system. Is a CD player as well, Bluetooth, and yeah, probably I just have to buy for that DC cable and adapter, and hopefully after that I can test it, and hopefully it's working, because if it's working, it's probably looking for around 50 to 100 pound. So that's a good item. And also, like you can see, we have a coffee maker, some small stereo speaker, and that's it. We put in outside one box of items, but probably we bought around 12 boxes or 15 boxes full of items, and only just one small box which is not working, which is need to be cleaned. And yeah, I think we do very well. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this haul video, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, DJIRU77. See you guys in the next one, and bye bye.